current work van. Zoom out. This is the old mobile mechanic work van, which I'm gonna turn it into a, I don't know what I'm gonna turn it into yet. It's gonna be my little hoopty daily driver. So I'm going away with this. I'm gonna have a set location. I'm not gonna be mobile anymore for now, but yep, I'll be mobbing in this thing. Gotta make it comfy. Take my little breaks in here, you know. What breaks, right? You ain't got no damn brakes, but whatever. Yeah. Something cool. Too bad there was only one. I don't even think these can have hubcaps. If you know they can have hubcaps for shit like this, let me know, because obviously that one doesn't work, but it looks fucking cool, don't it? Something. I need to spice these rims up. Maybe a little paint, a little polish, you know? It ain't too bad. These ones are a little wider than the ones over there. And then we're gonna run these ones. I like that little fatty look. This thing is so fucking handy. I carried all this shit. you. This is the van in the current state. When I installed the panels, you can't really see it, but it was all rusty and stuff inside here. I took out the rust, sandblasted the inside, painted the floor or the bottom, whatever the fuck you call it, and installed these panels. Still gotta install my fucking roof rack, and I mean, looks good. Yep. So this is my parts getter right now. I used to have old school vans, old school shorties. I still got one, but I sold one to a buddy of mine, and he sold it for more. So that was some bullshit. But yeah, that's this is the purpose of the van right now. Parts, getting around, carrying shit other than my truck. I can haul bikes in here, small bikes with little bars. Got a big bike, and then I'll take the pickup. But yep, that's it.